Hey guys, Simple Learning here. Today we're going to be learning about splitting vectors into its perpendicular components, or in other words, their x and y components to find the resultants. So what we have here is, let's say, we have a triangle. Triangle with a vector, and then with an x, and then you have your y. And then you have data. So really, the only thing you guys need to know, and the only thing that you guys really need in your arsenal of tools to figure this out is SOHCAHTOA. Right? So first thing you gotta do is find your sine and your cosine, so you can break it down to your x and y components. So we want to look at the angle. Okay. Let's try to find x first. All right. So x is right here. X is adjacent to the angle. So you want to find one of these. What has adjacent? So you look. Sine has opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine has adjacent over hypotenuse. So, yes, we have found our x right here. So that will be, so x, so we have cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is your v, or vector. Okay, second you have to find your y. So we look for whatever has opposite of the angle. So you have your angle, and then what is opposite? So we look at this. You see sine has opposite over hypotenuse, right? So that's sine. Sine is opposite, which is your y, over hypotenuse, which is your vector, or v. All right? Now, to find your x and y components, you're going to break this down even further, or switch them up a little bit, so you get x by itself and y by itself. So start with x. So how can we get x by itself? All we need to do is take your vector times it by your cosine. So it will be x equals v cosine theta. All right? That's how you get your x component. Get your y component, same thing with sine. You have y equals v sine theta. All right, that's how you break down to your x and y components. Now, if you guys follow me over here, I have an example. All right. Okay. All right, so the example is find the x and y components of the following vector. Vector is velocity equals 10 meters per second. Theta is 30. So what can we do here? First of all, remember your x and y component is x equals v cosine theta, and y is equal v sine theta. So first of all, to find your x component, you take x equals your v, which is 10 meters per second, cosine your angle, which is 30. Okay. And then same thing for y. You have y equals 10 meters per second, sine 30. Okay. And then You can solve this, put this in your calculator, and that's how you find your x and y components of a vector. If you guys have any questions, just let us know. Thank you for watching.